Okay, Option Sharks, we are back once more, and today I'm joining you on the patio overlooking the Pacific coast. Beautiful day, not too sunny, so it's perfect. And then in this video, what I want to cover is about being in the right cycle and in the right revolution. Okay, and you have to identify what cycle we are in, what revolution we are in. So back then, we go through a little bit of a history class now. Back then it was the agricultural era, right? So during that time, the people that owned land, they were the ones that got wealthy because they had the land, and it was the agricultural era, and the people that had land could build and plant crops. And then we had a industrial era, right? So those that own factories, they could benefit from that because they have the factories that produce the products and the things that are needed. So the owners of factories became rich and wealthy off of that. And then we went into the information era. So the information revolution, information era, that's where whoever has information becomes wealthy. So that's where we have the Google, the Yahoo, all right, the ones that are still around today that have all the information, that have the data. They're the ones that's how you build wealth. And then now here we are in the AI revolution. We are in the crypto revolution. We are in the robotaxi, the tech cycle. So you have to know what cycle, what revolution we are in order to capitalize and benefit from it. And right now, the money is in these cycles. You have to be able to get into these cycles and capitalize off of it, benefit off of it. Okay, so I wanted to share this video with you guys because it's so important to know these cycles and revolution, and they come and go. And if you don't capture the opportunity for these cycles and these revolution, then you're gonna miss out. You're gonna miss out on a ton of money and also miss out on building your wealth. All right, and missing out is not the way to go, right? Because time is not on our side. Time is extremely valuable. So you have to be able to identify when what cycle we are in, where the money is going, right? And obviously the money is going into the tech, the AI revolution, crypto revolution, and robotaxi. Okay, so if you like what I'm sharing today, leave a comment. I always respond. And also, if you want to capitalize on the revolution and the cycle that we are in, I trade options full time and also coach full time. All right, so if you are in the market, if you're new or you need to get some help, I'd be more than happy to work with you and help you out. In the description, I provide a link to my calendar so you can book a time and we can have a conversation. You'll actually speak to me and I get to know you and what you are looking for and see if we can help you or not. And then of course, stay tuned for the second half of this video. I provide you a recording of an actual coaching call so you can see me in action and see exactly how I work and how I help my option sharks and how they help them generate income, right? Anywhere between 3 to 10%. Okay, so other than that, I wish you a fantastic day wherever you are, and then I'll see you on the next one.
So working with Kay here, and we're just doing some coaching to understand the value of contracts and the benefits of closing early or not closing early. So in this case, on the left side, you see market value minus 56, right? And current price it says 0.08. So it's worth even less now. So it's $8 times 7 contracts, which is 56. Okay, so that means that if you were to hold this till May 23rd and just let it expire naturally, then this market value will be 0, right? And you have realized the full 350. But if you do want to if you want to release the collateral, if you want to close it out early and you're happy with the $300 that you got already, then you can do buy to close and then pay $8 per contract. 8 times 7 is 56. You pay $56, right? And then it releases the collateral and it allows you to make more trades because you have the collateral money back.
Right. Okay. So that's what I was saying, because I'm not going to meet with you. Because how much more meetings did I have with you before? We can
meet this if this Thursday and Friday the current price is less than 0.05 or of that nature. Then we can just close it out early. I don't mind meeting with you guys more than once just to help you guys make more money. So so there's always a benefit to closing out contracts early and then opening new contracts for next week early, because you benefit off of time decay beta. If you wait till Monday and like everybody else does, they wait till Monday and make their trades, you realize you lose out on a lot of beta, time decay. So, but I would not close it out today. I think it's too early. If I were you, I will close it out either Thursday or Friday, but you need to pay attention to the current price, where it says 0.10.
I need to pay attention to the current price. If it's by 0.50,
I would say below 0.06, less than $6 per contract, then let's just close it out early. Yeah, let's just buy to close, release the collateral, right? And then just make a new trade from there. But for now, I think $70 is still worth it to hold on to it. And realize more of that equity that you realize more of the unrealized equity there.
Okay. Because
Okay.
I was really interested in looking at. I guess I'll do that some calls from a different account though. United Health. This guy was it you? I think you were talking about.
There's another lady in my group. Her name is Clara. She's you can talk to her. You can message her in group chat. But she's been doing that. I'm not messing with United Health because I don't know the company too well, the stock too well.
Okay.
And I don't like to mess with things that I'm not familiar with.
You're not familiar with.
But you guys, other members are doing their own thing, so you can do whatever you like. I mean, it's your money. I can only coach you on what I can help you
stuff
with.
You've done that you've been successful.
Yeah, I mean, literally just example here, making $350 here, 400 there, 200 there, 500 there, and all adds up. So
yes, it sure does. Okay, so I am very interested. Okay, so I think I only have like 1,000 or two. It says with margin I have 2,000. So just hold on to that for now, right?
Yeah, because this trade is holding on to your collateral. I think it's still worth it to
hold on to it.
Yeah, because today's only Tuesday. It's better to normally I close my contracts either Thursday or Friday.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, and I open out.
And it would buy to open. How do I close the contract? Can I?
The window's already open, so you see, Robinhood already has it by the close. Yeah, because our initial action is sell to open. So anytime you do a sell to open action, the opposite action of it is to close it, which is buy to close, and that's how you close contracts.
Okay, so I would put 7 in here.
If we were to close this, you click 7, and then you click on the bid ask is 0.05 to 0.15. You can do somewhere in the middle, 0.10, which means it's $10, and then $10 times 7 is $70. So you pay $70 to get out, but it's better to realize that 70 rather than closing it out early.
Okay.
Because, all right. By tomorrow, this will probably be worth $35.
I would have to pay $105 if I got out now.
If you are, it's at 0.15. That's why.
Yeah. Okay.
See, if you look, you can change it to 0.10. If you type in 0.10, yeah, you see the bid ask. It says 0.05 to 0.15. Do you see the bid ask and the numbers to the left under limit price? It's in a light gray, right above highlight.
I'm typing in there. So 10. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you erase the whole thing.
Okay.
So yeah, type in 0.10.
Oh, shoot, hold on. I'm sorry. Like he's like, what is wrong with you, girl? So yeah, I told you I had trouble with my eyes.
No worries.
Oh, okay. So yeah,
so
I love
$70.
Right. So $70 is what we would pay. Okay, because that's what it's at right now. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Right. But it's not. I don't think it's worth it to pay $70 right now.
Yeah.
You can actually tomorrow more likely to be only $35 to close it. Right. So it's better that way. Yeah.
And
so
then okay. So then when it get done, then I'll set another call then to so you can see.
Yeah, just monitor this, right? When you see the current price below 0.06, see that, then just book a time with me either Thursday or Friday. If it's still at 0.10 on Friday, then just leave it alone. Just let it expire naturally, and we'll book a time for Monday.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Yeah, because $70 is still a good chunk of change with your portfolio size. Yeah. So there's no point not realizing that when you can, right? Because you literally don't have to do anything to make that money. So
right. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
So you're right about that. Yeah. So
All right.
So I'll do some more studying and then when we buy the next step of stuff, we'll go from there.
You got it.